Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn job search alerts with LinkedIn Recruiter, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn job search alerts with LinkedIn Recruiter, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn Recruiter dashboard. Once in the dashboard, locate the Jobs tab on the top menu. Click on the Jobs tab to view job-related options. Next, find the Job Alerts section. In the Job Alerts section, select the option to create a new job alert. You will need to enter relevant keywords for the types of jobs you are looking for. Include job locations if you have specific areas in mind. After entering your preferences, choose the frequency of alerts you wish to receive. You can opt for daily or weekly notifications based on your preference. Once you have set your parameters, click on the Create button to save your job alert. Your job alert is now activated and ready to keep you updated. To manage existing alerts, return to the Job Alerts section at any time. Here, you can edit or delete alerts as needed. Make sure to check your email or LinkedIn notifications for job updates. This ensures you never miss an opportunity in your desired field. Utilizing LinkedIn job search alerts can streamline your job search process. Stay proactive and make the most of LinkedIn Recruiter's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.